to an investor looking for premium market opportunities? Presenting premium and exclusive service for investors by Kalkine.
Good morning and welcome to the ASX at Breakfast. I'm Rachel, live from Kalkine Studios in Sydney. Now, the Australian share market is to open higher this morning. The SPI futures are pointing to a 0.36% gain. On Friday, the Australian share market closed 1.69% lower at 7,042. In business news from this morning now, GQG Partners quarterly results have recorded a $5.6 billion boost to their funds under management. Now, FUM at the 30th of June is $104.1 billion with net flows during the quarter of $1.2 billion. As at the 30th of June, net flows were $6.2 billion as compared to $6.3 billion for the same period last year. The company says they're pleased with the year-to-date net flows despite a difficult industry environment, and they continue to see a reasonable pipeline of client demand across multiple geographies and channels. Funds under management represent both discretionary and non-discretionary funds, as well as funds under management that are both fee-paying and non-fee-paying. They're rounded to the nearest $0.1 billion. All FUM are managed or advised by GQG Partners, and that's a wholly owned subsidiary of GQG Partners, a Delaware corporation listed on the ASX. Fonterra Co-operative Group has today confirmed the appointment of Ming Lim-Pollard to the Milk Price Panel. She was nominated by the Minister of Agriculture, Damien O'Connor, for appointment to the panel in accordance with the Dairy Industry Restructuring Act of 2001. She has over 30 years' experience in the banking industry and has held roles at Citibank, NAB, Bank of New Zealand and Titan New Zealand Funding Trust. She was head of Titan and is the founder and director of Endeavour Services, a financial services provider which specialises in the infrastructure, silviculture and agriculture industries. During changes made to DIRA last year, Fonterra must appoint two nominees of the Minister of Agriculture to the panel. They previously appointed Professor Hamish Gow as the Minister's initial nominee to the panel. And Propel Funeral Partners has executed a binding legal documentation to acquire long-established funeral service businesses and related assets, also infrastructure and real estate, for up to $38 million. Harbour City Funeral Home and Terry Longley and Son Funeral Services are both in New Zealand. Together, the businesses generated around $12 million worth of revenue in their last financial year and performed around 1,300 funerals in their last financial year. They operate from 12 locations, of which Propel will acquire 11 properties on completion of the acquisitions. The acquisitions are expected to complete during the first half of financial year 2024 and expected to be earnings accretive in year one. It's time for a short break now, but stay tuned for more news set to affect your trading day.
Build better relationships, get connected, heard and noticed. We always believe in getting you the best. Kalkine Media's growing platform, Kalkine TV, helps you connect to an inquisitive audience from across the globe. Interact in a trusted environment. Showcase your brand on Kalkine TV in a seamless and effective manner. We connect and curate content as per your business needs. So why wait? Write to us at guestteam@kalkine.com.au.
Welcome back to the ASX at Breakfast report. Now, the S&P 500 lost 0.29%, while the Nasdaq dipped 0.13%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average dropped 0.55%. And European markets closed mixed. London's FTSE lost 0.32%, Frankfurt added 0.48%, while Paris closed 0.42% higher. Looking at Asian markets now, Tokyo's Nikkei lost 1.17%, Hong Kong's Hang Seng lost 0.9%, And China's Shanghai Composite closed 0.28% lower. That's all for ASX at breakfast this morning here at Kalkine TV. Have a great day trading. Stay tuned for more market updates and economic news live throughout the day. I'm Rachel, signing off for now.